Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on 10 amazing facts about Allu Arjun.
Yes, so the video is in Hindi, so
Yes.
it is good. We searched, in English language, but we couldn't find, and we thought, okay, Hindi maybe
Yes, sir.
समझ सकते हैं. So let's get started. We'll be having 10 amazing facts about Allu Arjun sir,
Yes.
and we are very much excited because Abhay always adore Allu Arjun sir a lot,
Yes. And we
he's a
have
stylish icon.
lot of fans in North India.
North India also as well. In South also he has a great huge fan
Yes.
following also as well. So let's get started. We are very much excited and very much looking forward. So I hope that you like today's content, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो झट से let's get started.
स्टाइलिश स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन,
पहले ही
मल्लू अर्जुन,
Yeah.
टिकटॉक स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन, गूगल मोस्ट सर्च्ड अल्लू अर्जुन.
wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys.
That's
जैसे
true.
कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक तेलुगु एक्टर होने के बाद भी एक पैन इंडिया स्टार बन चुके हैं. अल्लू की बॉलीवुड में एंट्री ना होने के बावजूद भी हिंदी फैंस में उनका जबरदस्त क्रेज है. उनकी हिंदी
that's
फिल्मों में भी कई रिकॉर्ड
That's true,
उनकी
actually.
सबसे बेस्ट फिल्म अला वैकुंठपुरम लो रही है, जिससे केवल तेलुगु में रिलीज होने के बावजूद 250 करोड़ से ज्यादा की कमाई करके नया रिकॉर्ड बनाया है. फिलहाल अर्जुन की आने वाली फिल्म पुष्पा है, जो एक पैन इंडिया फिल्म है जो हिंदी में भी रिलीज होगी. वैसे इस वीडियो
क्या
में हम
look
अल्लू
है.
अर्जुन की लाइफ की कुछ ऐसी बातें बताने वाले हैं
Intense.
जो शायद आप ना जानते हो. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है गाइस कि आप ये वीडियो पूरा देखें.
हमारे एरिया में गंदगी है, आकर एक बार झाड़ू चला दो. ये रहा कंप्लेंट लेटर. ज्यादा खुद को मत.
तो चलिए नंबर 1 पे है, अल्लू अर्जुन को स्टाइलिश स्टार कहा जाता है. इसके अलावा अर्जुन बहुत शानदार डांसर हैं. वे अपने डांसिंग मूव्स के कारण जाने जाते हैं.
Yeah,
लेकिन क्या आप जानते
that's
हैं
true. We
कि अल्लू
knew
अर्जुन
that.
इतनी स्मूथनेस और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के साथ शानदार डांस स्टेप कैसे कर लेते हैं? तो आपको बता दें, अल्लू अर्जुन बचपन से ही जिम्नास्टिक्स की ट्रेनिंग ले रहे थे. इसी कारण वे इतने शानदार डांसर हैं. नंबर 2, शानदार एक्टर डांसर होने के साथ ही अल्लू अर्जुन एक शानदार फोटोग्राफर है.
Okay. I
फोटोग्राफी
didn't knew
का
that
उनको
one.
शौक है. उनका मानना है कि फोटोग्राफी उनके स्ट्रेस को कम करता है. उनके पास एक पर्सनल कैमरा है जहां वे कई तरह की पिक्चर लेते हैं और किसी को बताते भी नहीं हैं. ये पिक्चर्स वे अपने तक ही सीमित रखते हैं.
Okay.
नंबर 3, अर्जुन अपने फैंस के फेवरेट हैं. लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि अर्जुन की फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सी है? तो आपको बता दें, अर्जुन अपने अंकल मेगा स्टार चिरंजीवी के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं और उनकी फिल्म इंदिरा तेलुगु उनकी फेवरेट फिल्म है. वह इस फिल्म को 15 से भी
think I have
ज्यादा बार
also seen
देख
this
चुके हैं
film.
और
This
उनका
is
कहना है
very
कि वह इस फिल्म को और भी कई बार देख सकते हैं. नंबर 4, वैसे तो अल्लू अर्जुन ने सोच लिया था कि उन्हें एक्टिंग में ही करियर बनाना है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी उन्होंने एक बैकअप ऑप्शन रखा हुआ था. उन्होंने एनिमेशन का एक अच्छा कोर्स किया हुआ है. इसके
Okay.
साथ ही उन्होंने हैदराबाद की एक
Animation.
एनिमेशन कंपनी में इंटर्नशिप भी की थी. उनका मानना था कि अगर वे एक्टिंग में सक्सेस नहीं होते हैं तो एनिमेशन में ही अपना करियर बनाएंगे. लेकिन वे एक्टिंग के करियर में सुपर से ऊपर निकल गए.
That's a good
नंबर
fact.
5,
था.
अर्जुन करीब 37 साल के हो गए हैं, लेकिन वे अपने बर्थडे पर ज़्यादा पार्टियां नहीं करते, बल्कि वे अपना बर्थडे अनाथ और ज़रूरतमंद बच्चों के साथ बनाते हैं.
Nice.
इसके अलावा अपने बर्थडे के दिन पे वे ब्लड डोनेशन भी करते हैं और अपने फैन से भी ऐसा करने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं.
That's
नंबर
good,
6,
at least.
अल्लू अर्जुन बॉलीवुड में शाहरुख खान के बड़े फैन थे. उन्होंने उनकी फिल्म DDLJ कई बार देखी है, लेकिन एक इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने कहा कि वह समय के साथ अपने फेवरेट स्टार को बदलते रहते हैं. अभी बॉलीवुड में सलमान खान उनके फेवरेट एक्टर हैं. वहीं तमिल इंडस्ट्री में वे थलपति विजय के फैन हैं. नंबर 7, क्या आप
Nice.
जानते हैं अल्लू अर्जुन चारकोल आर्टिस्ट भी हैं और वे कई तरह की पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग करना
Wow.
पसंद करते हैं.
So much skills.
नंबर 8,
Talented.
अल्लू अर्जुन फिल्मों से तो पैसा कमाते ही हैं, इसके अलावा उनके कई बिजनेस भी हैं जहां हॉस्पिटल और कई सारी कंपनीज में उनके शेयर हैं. सभी जगह से वे 360 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा की एनुअल इनकम करते हैं.
बाप
नंबर
रे.
9, अल्लू अर्जुन को कारों का बहुत शौक है. वे लग्जरी लाइफ जीना पसंद करते हैं. उनकी कार कलेक्शन में रेंज रोवर, ऑडी, जैगुआर एंड BMW जैसी करोड़ों की कारों का कलेक्शन है.
Wow.
इसके अलावा उनके पास 7 करोड़ की पर्सनल लग्जरी वैनिटी वैन भी है. नंबर 10, स्टाइल के मामले में अल्लू अर्जुन बॉलीवुड में रणवीर सिंह को पसंद करते हैं. वहीं साउथ में अर्जुन विजय देवरकोंडा की ड्रेसिंग के मामले में बहुत पसंद करते हैं. हिंदी डब में सबसे ज़्यादा अल्लू अर्जुन की फिल्में ही देखी जाती हैं, लेकिन अब उनकी आने वाली फिल्म पुष्पा हिंदी के डायरेक्ट 5 भाषाओं में रिलीज होने वाली है.
Okay.
Nice.
अब देखना यह है कि अल्लू अर्जुन बाकी स्टारों के साथ आगे निकल पाते हैं या नहीं. वैसे आपको अल्लू अर्जुन के बारे में ये सारी बातें जानकर कैसा लगा? कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications and for more such videos. Subscribe to our channel.
It was like very informative and a lot of things. It is not supernatural or very extraordinary things he is having.
Lot of things.
Lot
he
of
has
things,
small things, but
things,
it's
yes.
a decent.
Decent
People,
only.
lot of the people have those kind of habits,
Yes,
and
yes.
actually, being a superstar, we don't know about him much. All those things.
Actually we didn't know that, and by always after knowing so many kind of like facts, it is very happy to hear that this superstar is having this kind of things in his collection and his skills and talents, everything. So I really like that he has that backup of animation course. I really like that because
At least that was good option. If he fails in movies,
yes,
also,
that is a very good
he can continue with other animation.
Good future planning, you can say, because it is not needed that if you are starting off something, it will be giving you a good benefit only. So
sometimes
you can
it happens. A lot of the people
put a
had
backup.
failures and started with their backup options.
Yes, so that is very cool that he has done the course of animation, and he can have the plan of animation if he will not do good in the films. But that didn't happen, and
his first option went good.
that is very good, and he is a superstar. He's a super actor. Okay, and I really like that fact also that he is having a good collection of cars. So that is a very good thing. Actually, it is a dream of a lot of people to have.
Not a lot of
Mercedes. Everyone. Not like sub car hona chahiye aisa nahi. At least one car of worth rupees 1 crore rupees. Everyone is like have a dream. So he is having that also. Apart from that, he's a good photographer, dancer.
That is also good. Dancer, of course, we have seen not photography skill we haven't seen, but as a dancer we have seen lot
already.
of dance moves. Yes.
Lot of. It would be better if she has like the channel who is like talking about Allu Arjun sir. No, if she has added some good pictures of him, which he has clicked, then it would be a
I think
great thing.
Actually, she told he never shares those personal photos to anybody.
Things.
So
yes.
will not get anywhere.
That's true.
Why.
That's true.
Yes, and also about his dance move. Before starting the career as a movie star, he was a gymnastic. He used to do gymnastics. So I think that helped him a lot.
His body is very flexible actually. In Ala Vaikunthapuram Ulo, there we saw, right? He's bending his
if
physique.
If you want to see those things, you see Arya 1, Arya 2.
No, I have seen a couple of dance moves of him, and he's a superstar. He is a stylish icon. Everyone calls him stylish star, right?
Yes, right.
And that is ekdam truly appreciable, like you can say appropriate for
and
him.
One more thing, a good thing we have heard that on his birthday he generally used to donate his blood and also ask his fans to donate blood. That is really appreciable.
Very good,
yes.
And he doesn't like to celebrate his birthday that much on his birthdays, and he preferred to do the blood donation. That is very cool actually. And it is like sometimes I have seen, not sometimes, most of the times, like celebrities do not prefer to celebrate birthdays.
Yes.
Why
actually,
so?
Actually, most of the celebrity generally they don't like to celebrate, but fans are so much huge.
Eager, and
fans
they
go
also
so much crazy.
Yes.
So you can't stop your fans.
That's true.
Yes.
And he Talapati Vijay is the favorite of him also as well.
Yes, that's true.
That
Vijay
is very
also
good actually. We are very happy to know that. And also Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan.
Yes.
Current choice is Salman Khan only, right, for him. So yes, he
and also
is.
One more thing, good fact that he was one of the most searched on the
Google
search.
Yes. And also that thing is also true that most of the North Indians prefer to watch his movies in Hindi dubbed or English subtitles.
Exactly, the thing has happened like from beginning only. Most of the Telugu film was getting dubbed into Hindi. So
most of the
from
times,
the beginning only people started watching him only. That's why he became as a famous. Nowadays from other states also.
Other films also,
they are getting converted dubbed into Hindi.
Yes,
so people are now preferring all over the India.
That's true actually. In channels also like Max or Sony Max or Zee TV, Zee Cinema, everywhere. Like in Saturday Sundays, we used to see like Allu Arjun sir's movie mostly.
One film you will get
mostly actually. So we like from the previous only when we are in school, that time, from that time only I have noticed this thing that Telugu films are really very dubbed in Hindi.
And also they are
so
getting
North Indian also are
getting broadcasted into North India
North
channels
India
also.
lot.
So
Correct.
that's why
That is
I
very
think
good
the first
actually.
actor I have seen while we were in college and
yes,
all.
yes. That is very good actually. You know, some other language, if it is getting dubbed in North Indian language, then it will grab a lot of audience also as well, and it will be spreaded. It will be spreaded. The messages, the positivity, everything
talent
will be
get spreaded.
correct.
And people will know
know more about the
talent,
actors
yes.
and talent and skills. That is not a bad thing. That is a very
limited
good
to
thing.
just single state.
Correct.
Yes.
So yes, that
I
is
think
very good
nowadays-
actually.
nowadays
Every
every
kind of
state.
films is
Yes.
getting dubbed.
Right.
That is good. For us only, you can take the example. We do not understand Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, any South Indian language we do not understand. But if it is in Hindi, we prefer to watch that. So that is very
Anything.
cool actually.
Telugu,
Any kind of
Telugu,
movie.
Tamil or Malayalam, any movies we used to see.
Yes, so that is actually increases our eagerness also.
Yes.
The interest level also.
And
That
also
is very cool.
we wanted to know the people from other states
Other
also.
states also, their culture, their religion, everything.
Yes.
And also we prefer to tell our friends, North Indian friends, like our father, mother, that yeah, go and check that movie in Hindi dubbed. You can definitely understand, because they also, the old people also cannot always read the subtitles and see the movie. That
I
is
think from our
little bit
medium also
disturbing.
people also started knowing
Knowing
more about
more.
the Tamil also.
Correct. Yes, in Facebook, like I got a lot of messages in Facebook and Instagram from my friends, my personal friends. They used to tell, okay, I didn't know Talapati Vijay, or I didn't know Allu Arjun sir, or I didn't know Mahesh Babu sir.
So
Okay, I
from
have
our
seen his
medium,
movies.
they
It was
are
very
watching.
good from our medium only. So this is actually our motto to we feel very happy and very blessed that okay, our intention is like reaching to some another level. Okay, so that is very cool actually. We can grab a lot of people to
That's
showcase
so, yes.
this legends
Talents.
So that is very cool. And yes, this amazing 10 facts really made our day, and we are feeling very happy to know this kind of things. Okay, so yes, I really hope that you will also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today. First comment for today's video is from Inbabhalli B, and he is commenting on Talapati Vijay's birthday common DP reaction. He is telling, no Bahubali, Talapati not copied from 2010 to 2020. His movie was copying many actors.
I mean,
So-
he meant to say that his movie is being copied
He's
by
being
different
copied.
actors.
Okay. So where we have told that Bahubali is he is
we
copying
just
Bahubali.
compared
We
that
just compared the whole
elephant theme, like
theme.
whatever the past
Yes.
days we have seen in Bahubali is like big architecture,
Pillars.
big pillars,
Pillars and
those
gold
kind of
mahal.
architectures. So
The
I think
DP is resembling that only. We
I
didn't
think
tell.
sometimes people start taking us wrong also. So
Every time, like
at
most
least
of the
you
time,
listen
I
it.
don't know, just listen our carefully what we are saying, and then we didn't say that Talapati Vijay is copying in 2010 or 20 or many actors are copying. We are just saying it is reminding of us the Bahubali theme, because a lot of pillars were there, mahal, the gold theme, it was the Raja Maharaja kind of royalty is there. Okay, and one more person was telling that he is not a rising star. That means he is
still growing
pretending that
bigger and bigger.
he is
That's
growing big. स्टार मतलब राइजिंग सन किसको कहते हैं? जो सूरज जब उगता है वो हर रोज उगते हैं, राइट? सूरज एवरी डे वो उगते हैं एंड वो अपनी किरणें बिखरते हैं, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट आई एम टेलिंग.
I think people is thinking this is the ultimate limit, but no, this is not the ultimate limit. He will grow much and much bigger,
more and infinity level. So that is we actually wanted to tell. So I hope if you do not understand, you can definitely come and ask what is the context we are saying. We didn't tell that he is copying. Okay, and
we don't want to hurt anybody.
Yes, it is his birthday, yaar. We are very much excited and we have a lot of plan for him. So yes, come on. And yes, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Snegil Thopil, and he is writing his comment on Talapati Vijay 2020 birthday common DP. He is saying that stick is Senghol. Senghol means only king holding in hand in Tamil Nadu. I think he is meant that it's a sword, right? So like kings and all used to hold that sword,
okay,
and also
that is also is having a significance.
Yes.
Okay, that's very cool.
So
Yeah.
actually he is sitting like king.
Yes,
So king.
yes.
So
He was
has
looking
to-
like a king.
Yes,
in
he
the
has to
DP.
pretend like with sword and all.
Sword and all.
Yes.
So that is very cool. Yes, thank you. We didn't know that. Single, is it a Tamil word?
Maybe,
I think it is a
maybe.
Tamil word, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos
Yes.
and for letting us know this information. We really didn't know that. Thank you.
Third and the last comment for today is from Bala Vignesh. He is writing his comment on Kollywood heroes Corona War animation video reaction, and he is saying that did you notice that locust grasshopper at the end of the video, probably
Yeah.
the lead to the part 2.
Yes, we have noticed
that one
Yeah.
also. Yes, but we didn't mention that one. Yes, I
Yeah.
think you are right, might be that is the lead to the part 2 as well.
Part 2.
So
Actually, we have a plan to give more reactions on Kollywood
Yes.
heroes on different kind
Animation
of
kind of
animation
videos as
because
well.
there are a lot, and we have gotten a lot of
request as well. Yes.
request as well, different videos, not only this one.
Yes.
So that is why we have a plan, and yes, we'll be doing soon.
I think
so
probably the part 2 has not yet come, right?
maybe, but other parts are there.
Yes.
Other different parts are
different
there.
types
So,
of videos. Yes.
Yes, so we'll be like fulfilling all the requests, and yes,
Yes.
that is very fun. Actually, the animation was done beautifully. It was like very good. We enjoyed a lot,
Yes.
right? So yes, Vala Vignesh, thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.